Most renovation packages gives you things that you don't need. And the things that you actually want, not included. For our 3rd anniversary, we do it differently. Choose any 3: kitchen cabinet, wardrobes, tabletops, and even painting to build around your home for just one price. From 10 to 12 of April, our 3rd anniversary, we have set aside 60 slots just for you. Planning for your renovation? Secure your slot today.